Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. Becky is our host for the month of March, and she selected this mood board as our inspiration piece. So I hope that you are playing along with us. And how do you play along with us? Well, you snap a photograph of your mini kit for the month of March. You upload it in the March album. Then you upload a snapshot of each of your layouts that you complete with your kit. And guess what? The bonus is that you can be entered in to possibly win a gift card or curated kit from Becky for the month of March. I will have the link to our Facebook group site listed below. You need to come check us out and all the other fabulous ladies and their creations. And without further ado, let's get started with my first layout for the month of March. I'm documenting a photograph of my nephew that lives in Florida and him graduating the year of 2020. And we have two sides. We have the announcement, which is a fabulous side, and I have a second one of this announcement of his graduation. But for this layout, I am documenting this side because it goes with the color scheme of some of the papers within my kit. So we have the first one is the Mix in January, February from Close to My Heart. And just a little secret, a birdie told me I am a consultant maker if you are interested in purchasing any Close to My Heart products. All right, now off to the next paper. We have Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, number 22. And it does not have a name on this collection, so that means it's from 2016 when she didn't put names to her collection. There were just numbers. So this is an older paper. So I'm going to pair these two up. I have my sticker sheet that was in my kit. That was my jumping off point. And this is from Close to My Heart. Then I have my chipboard piece from Jen Hatfield. And then I have some Becky Booten, some more Paige Evans, and Simple Stories. And then, and Bella Boulevard. And these miscellaneous hearts that came from, I think, Hobby Lobby's. Yep. All right, so now let's get creating the layout. And the first process is creating my foundation layer. I'm thinking about matting this photograph on white daisy cardstock. I'm going to pause the video for a moment to cut my strips here and figure out the first design element for this layout, and that's figuring out basically if you were following a sketch or scrap lifting someone, but I'm not doing that this time. I'm not using a sketch or scrap lifting anyone, so I need a moment to think how I'm going to cut these papers up, or which one I'm going to use as a foundation foundation of the layout. Boy, Dolly, spit out the words, and then which one I want to cut up. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I took that flower paper from Paige Evans. I cut a 3" by 12" strip. I placed it here on the left side, and then this strip is 1.5 inches by 12. Did I say 11? It's 12. And I'm going to place this on the right hand side. Get that lined up. I got that on the right hand side. Then I matted this photograph with a real thin border of black, and then I took the opposite side of this flower paper, which is striped, and did a double mat, and I like that. I'm also thinking maybe to do it triple with black And that just really is very striking, right? So that's what I need to do. So let's do that. Oops, I got everything sticking to my ATG gun. So let's do that. Okay. Let's just really do some paper layering. That's what it's about. Having fun using our products instead of just like using them sparingly. And it's just my personal preference, and what I like on my matting is I don't like a huge border around my mats. So you'll notice that I do them very thin. All right, I'm bringing in the trimmer. And this is the Fisker trimmer, of course. And I think that's about the thickness. Yep, I did good there. Ha. And that one. Ah, I like that. Very, very striking. Okay, so that's my idea. So look at that. I used a lot of my papers. These are the branding strips. So that's it on the papers, and I brought in black cardstock. So I'm saving those. And then I kind of like this strip here. It's got a different pattern, but in that same yellow tone. I was thinking about maybe placing it there or in the middle, but I don't know. That might be too much. I don't know if that's what I want to do. So what we're going to do next, we'll see, we'll bring in my embellishments, all right, and my title. So let's go to the sticker sheet. I'm thinking, oh, happy day, possibly using, because remember I told you my goal was to use most of the titles that came on this sticker sheet. And if you've been following me, you know that I am not a fan of putting my titles this way, but I will, because I have to learn to change it up. But I'm thinking I want to pop dot that up and then maybe bring in more of the brown or black to have that stand out some more. I'm going to pause the video and put foam adhesive on the back. Alright, I'm back. I put the foam adhesive, but I didn't take the backing off yet because I'm not quite sure how I want my title placed. And then I'm getting out the Jen Hatfield chipboard pieces. So let's pick some pieces out. So I like the idea. It's a passage of time. Yeah. Oh, I had on my desk this tag that says congratulations or congrats. I like that. Maybe I should put that over there like that maybe. So I like that. Let's go back to the chipboard pieces. I got sidetracked there. I might see what I can bring in. Okay. All right. I secured all my elements down, and then I added some Nuva drops. Remember, part of my kit was the Nuva drops, and this is called bottle green. So I added 3 dots right there, 1 here, and then I used the dandelion yellow right here. So I got that used from my kit, and now I'm going to add just a little bit of splatter of butter. I thought about adding the turquoise, but I'm really, as you can tell, all my elements are the yellow and the brown. So I really don't want to bring in more of the turquoise green color or mint color. So I am just going to stick with butter, and it's going to just give it a little bit of shine. Not a gold. Out. See how easy that was? So we have a 3-inch strip by 12 on one side, 1.5 on the other, a sticker element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chipboard pieces, 1 wood veneer, and 2 puffy elements right here. And then outside of my kit, the only thing I grabbed was these alphas to get the year down. and the layout's complete. Real simple and easy. You can do this, so get out your scrapbooking supplies. Find, if you don't have a large photo like this, then get 2 3x6s or 4x4s. You can create the same look. Go ahead, be my guest, scrap lift away. All right, give a thumbs up. Be sure to check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies. I will have their links listed below in the description box. Keep coming back. You don't just have to come on Mondays. You can hit that notification button and receive notifications every time I post. All right, until next time, have fun scrapbooking those memories. Bye.